Hi, today I'm just going to show you a bare bottom vacuum for my tank here. It's a DIY. It's really cheap to do it, so you don't have to keep cleaning up all the fish poo at the bottom or food that was left down here if you don't have any gravel. So what I did was I have a pump like this, and I made a DIY suction. This is like a marine land circulation pump. You can buy at PetSmart or Petco for around $40 or $14 I should say. And all I did was to put a water bottle, cut it off at the bottom, put some hole in there, and I put polyfill inside, and I put it around about half an inch from the bottom. So as you can see from here, the water is pushing, that circulation pump is pushing the water down here, right? So it's going down there, and all the poo that was around here is being pushed to this side, and then it gets sucked into this filter. It's been working really good. I've had this for a long time now, and I never ever vacuumed the bottom of my tank because, like I said, this thing is pushing the water. As you can see, that one, it got pushed. See that poo right there? Okay, it's gonna make its way over there, and then it's gonna get sucked in. As you can see, there's a lot of poo that's already trapped on food and poo right there. And I just change this like once every 3 weeks, you know. It depends up to you how often you want to replace the filter. But as you can see, it's pretty clean, and I never vacuumed this. And as you can see, there's a few poo right there, and that's gonna make its way back there. All right, so hopefully this helps you if you have bare bottom. See right there, they just disturbed it. My fish just pushed that all out, and it's gonna make its way. As you can see, some of them are making its way back there already. Okay, so hopefully this helps, and just leave a comment if you need any help, and I'll help you guys out. See, there you go again. There goes the poo. It's gonna make its way in that corner. Okay, alrighty, bye. Please hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up to help me out. Bye.